Hi folks, welcome to Build Go. So we've just received our Firewall forward kit for the for the RV-10. It's in my living room. Unfortunately, the box was open and like all marked up by UPS. A bit terrifying, but opening it up, it does seem like we might have everything here. We're gonna do inventory and see what this looks like. All right. So you might be wondering what is in the Firewall Forward kit, right? This isn't one of the standard kits that you think about when you think about an RV. Usually you're thinking about the empennage kit, the wing kit, the fuselage kit, and the finish kit. Well, there's also a Firewall Forward kit. The Firewall Forward kit really includes all of those parts that you're going to need forward of the firewall. So you don't have to source them all separately. It's things like hoses and alternators and oil coolers and throttle cables and the exhaust and stuff like that, right? Like a number of items that you would have to source separately that they just sort of put together in a kit. And you just buy, like one part number and take care of it that way. It's just a way to save time. You can buy all of these parts separately yourself, you know, but why not do it like this? They treat it like any other kit. You can delete stuff and add stuff and things like that. There's not that I'm aware, there's not a big discount or any discount maybe on the parts in the kit. So deleting and adding them, there's no harm, no foul. We have deleted a few little things here and there, mostly the hoses because we're doing the hoses from AS Flight Lines. But other than that, it's pretty stock, right? I mean, you're seeing us pull things out like, I think right in front of me is the oil cooler in that box. The little blue boxes are the engine mount, the Lord mounts, if you will, which are the sort of the rubber mounts that go between the engine itself and the engine mount for vibration isolation. There's the alternator, it's the plain power alternator. I'm just checking that it's there. It looks like they took it out of the box. No big deal. I ended up putting it back in the box for storage just to keep it safe. You can see the air intake that is just to the right of my right leg. But yeah, that's it. Everything is there. Just make sure to itemize, inventory all of your stuff so that you know what's there and you can ask them for any replacements. Okay, looks like everything is here. Back-ordered parts are just the baffle kit, which is not bad. Yeah, everything else looks like it's here. My deletions are properly deleted. I do have one or two items that I might return. We might have a sponsor for one or two items. We'll see. Crossing our fingers. But other than that, everything looks good. I was a little concerned about this box being open, but it looks like nothing got crushed, nothing fell out. I can totally see how this would have opened. It looks like the tape wasn't maybe adhered. I don't know. But yeah, looks like we're all set. Thanks as usual for watching. We'll talk soon.